So most SQL tutorials stop right after writing queries, but in the real job, that's actually the middle of the process, not the end. Managers don't read queries, they read dashboards. So in this video, I'm going to show you what analysts actually do after writing SQL, how we turn raw query results into something people can actually understand and use. This is what SQL gives us, rows and numbers, and technically the answer is here. But if you send this to a manager, they'll immediately ask, can you just summarize this? Because raw tables are accurate but not usable. So the analyst's job is to transform data into information. The first thing analysts do is shape the result before building visuals. Not everything belongs in a dashboard. We rename columns so humans understand them. We remove fields that aren't needed and make sure the numbers represent clear business meaning. And this step matters more than the visualization because messy data creates confusing dashboards. Good dashboards are designed before they are built. Dashboards rarely show transaction level detail. Stakeholders want summaries, totals, averages, trends. So instead of showing every row, we group the data into meaningful categories, like store, region, or time period. Now we've moved from data to metrics. And metrics are what decisions are based on. In real environments, dashboards almost always connect to a structured query result. That's the real job of a data analyst, not writing queries, but helping decisions happen faster. SQL finds answers and dashboards communicate them. In real analysis work, the value isn't just pulling data, it's helping someone understand what's happening and what to do next. At this point, the same data that looked confusing in SQL now tells a story. A manager can glance at this for 5 seconds and understand what's happening. So the real workflow looks like this: raw data, SQL, prepared dataset, dashboard, and decision. If you came here from the SQL video, this is the next step in that process. And if you haven't seen it yet, I'll link that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.